stage, specifically a sedan and an SUV, both aspirational vehicles for the people of Vietnam.
What we're really showing here are the vehicles that are going to set the tone for the VinFast brand. We started off with 4 of the best Italian design houses. We had them work to create 20 or so concepts that we showed to the Vietnamese people. And they were actually able to vote on them. Over 60,000 people voted.
Welcome to VinFast's first vehicle launch. Vietnam is now officially on the world map of automotive industry.
These first 2 vehicles are based on licensed technology from BMW. They're a brand known for quality, reliability, durability, and safety. They make the underpinnings of these 2 vehicles.
To help celebrate the launch of these world-class cars, Miss Vietnam 2018 Chan Theo V, and a global superstar who needs no introduction, Mr. David Beckham.
To create something in such a short space of time is really, really incredible. VinFast is a miracle for Vietnam.
There were lots of people watching the show, 5 million of Vietnamese people, because VinFast for the last 1 year has become a national pride.
We partnered with Panine Farina, one of the world's best-known styling studios. They worked with us to create the 2 vehicles that you see here today.
When we were designing this interior, we wanted this to be the best part of the customer's day. That they get into this vehicle and it's a relaxing opportunity for them to unwind and just enjoy the drive. We intend to have a full portfolio of vehicles that will have some of this DNA, but a character of their own.
The AutoBest organization is launching a new award named A Star is Born. VinFast is the most exciting brand and vehicles to see here at this year's show. When you have a right vision and determination, you can come with a comprehensive initiative to conquer the world.
We would like to dedicate this award to the people of Vietnam.
We think the time is right for VinFast in Vietnam. We're confident, we're excited, and we're glad to be here. So clearly, we're here in Paris to launch our first two vehicles on the world stage. Initially, our focus is on Vietnam and the people of Vietnam, but after that, we absolutely intend to expand beyond the shores of Vietnam. We're currently homologating for markets outside of Vietnam, and within 9 months of our initial launch, you'll see these vehicles expand globally. So here today at the Paris Motor Show, we are unveiling the first two products in our portfolio of products, specifically a sedan and an SUV, both aspirational vehicles for the people of Vietnam. These first two vehicles represent the best in German technology, Italian design, and the spirit of the Vietnamese people. They're aspirational products. We know they'll be well received by the people of Vietnam, and down the road, well received by people around the world. So these first two vehicles are based on licensed technology from BMW. We went to BMW because they're a brand known for quality, reliability, durability, and safety. They make the underpinnings of these two vehicles. We then had to style our own exterior to make it our own, and so we partnered with Pininfarina, one of the world's best-known styling studios, and they worked with us to create the two vehicles that you see here today. What we've done today is we've introduced the first two vehicles in our product portfolio. They will be followed quickly with our next two vehicles. We have a small car based on licensed architecture from General Motors, and then a battery electric vehicle that we are developing from the ground up with an engineering partner in Germany, EDAG. So those will be the next two that will join our sedan and our SUV that were unveiled here today. We think the time is right for VinFast in Vietnam. You need to look at three factors. Number one, we have growing per capita income. Number two, we have very low car ownership rates, 23 per thousand versus in Europe, 500 per thousand people. You then attach to that a phenomenal brand, and Vingroup is a phenomenal brand, and that equation results in future success. We're confident, we're excited, and we're glad to be here.
So the design process for these vehicles was really unlike anything I've been a part of. We started off with 4 of the best Italian design houses. We had them work kind of competitively against each other to create maybe 20 or so concepts that we showed to the Vietnamese people. And they were actually able to vote on them. So over 60,000 people voted. And the results really are the two vehicles you see here today. So for the sedan, we really wanted to have a vehicle that showcased the beautiful proportions of the car, very sleek, very elegant, and a combination of both high-tech and modern, but also very classic. So the design language for the SUV is really a combination of a vehicle that looks very off-road capable, very indestructible, but also very refined and very luxurious. When we were designing this interior, we really thought we wanted this to be the best part of the customer's day, that they get into this vehicle and it's a relaxing opportunity for them to unwind and just enjoy the drive. Well, what we're really showing here are the vehicles that are going to set the tone for the VinFast brand. These are both beautiful, high-end luxury vehicles, but we intend to have a full portfolio of vehicles that will have some of this DNA, but a character of their own.
There were lots of people watching the show live from Vietnam right now, but like 5 million of Vietnamese people watching the show because to them, VinFast for the last 1 year has become a national pride. No Vietnamese company has managed to make cars, so these two cars that we're making here is the national pride for the country. We would like to become the largest automotive brand in Southeast Asia. We wouldn't start from Vietnam, but we would like to expand outside of Vietnam as well. We have a plan, a whole portfolio in plan right now. With e-scooter, we're launching the first 2 e-scooter models in the coming month. And then we have 6 other models of e-scooter coming online as well. With the cars, we're launching these 2 cars by middle of next year. And we have another battery electric vehicle under development. We have another small car under development and an electric bus under development as well. In our state-of-the-art production facility, we can produce 250,000 e-scooter right now, and can ramp up to 1 million e-scooter by 2025. And we start out, we can produce 125,000 cars per year, and we can ramp up to 500,000 cars a year in 2025.
Obviously, once you get that closer look, you can see the master, the craftsmanship that's actually gone into it, and in such a short space of time, it's incredible that something so beautiful has been created for Vietnam and the Vietnamese people. I think that obviously I've been there many times before, and I know how hard-working they are, how proud they are, and this is really something special. And for them to have been involved in the process, it makes it special. The fact that now, they have their brand, their car on a global stage is kind of